Have you ever wondered what would happen to your bank accounts if something were to happen to you? It's a question we don't like to think about, but it's one of the most important aspects of financial planning. And with Ally Bank, there's a simple, straightforward way to ensure your money goes exactly where you want it to. It's all about setting up beneficiaries. Think of a beneficiary as a safety net for your savings. It's the person or people you designate to receive the funds in your accounts upon your death. Without a beneficiary, your accounts could be tied up in a lengthy and complex legal process called probate. But with one, the money can be transferred smoothly and quickly, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind. So, how do you do it? It's a surprisingly easy process that only takes a few minutes. First, log into your Ally Bank account on the Ally website. From there, navigate to your profile and settings. You'll see a section specifically for beneficiaries. It's as simple as clicking Add Beneficiary, entering their information, like their name and relationship to you, and then selecting the account you want to link them to. Keep in mind, you'll need to do this for each account individually. Once you've added your beneficiary or beneficiaries, you can always go back and edit or remove them if your circumstances change. It's a small step that makes a huge difference, ensuring your financial legacy is handled according to your wishes, without the added stress for your family. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.